Okay, this is a tutorial on how to play Happy Birthday. The left hand is going to be finger 3 on G. The right hand is going to be finger 1 on C. So we got this and this. Thumbs are neighbors. It's going to start with left hand 3 on G. And I'm going to play each section slowly. So if you're watching this to practice it and you don't have the whole song really well learned, you can practice each section one at a time. Just pause the video between sections and practice it. Here's part 1. Okay, and here's part 2. Part 3. And part 4. Now I'm going to play the whole song a little bit faster than I played the parts. So that's Happy Birthday. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Have a great one.